You know, everybody wants the best of the best when it comes to microphones, whether you're a podcaster, a streamer, a content creator. Dynamic microphones are the industry standard when it comes to these creations due to the proximity effect, talking directly into the diaphragm. It is less sensitive, so background noise, side noise cancellation, everything is just much better with a dynamic mic. Condenser mics are more used for vocal recording, like for music, etc., because it picks up more detail. But we're specifically going to be talking about the Shure MV7 that I have right here, and we're going to be talking about the issue that it does have. So if you're interested in dynamic mics, there is a ton of options out there, from cheap to expensive. The MV7 is the little brother to the SM7b, which is the industry standard, for less than half of the price. But there's cheaper options such as Moano, Fifine. There's Rode pod mics that are amazing, as well as like Audio Technica AT2040s, the Rode Podcaster, etc. But anyway, let's get into the problem that the MV7 has for a very cheap price to fix it, less than $10. Let's get to it. All right, so the problem that the MV7 has that a lot of people just does not like, is the plosives that the MV7 gives due to the pop filter that comes on it. Yes, the pop filter is the culprit and it's causing the issues, and we'll do a test here in a minute. But let me first talk about the setup that I have. I am running a GoXLR by TC Helicon. Now, listen, I know TC Helicon did let go a ton of employees about a year to a year and a half ago, and there was speculation that they were going to stop giving out updates, that they were going to go under, but that's simply not the case. I got my GoXLR just a couple of months ago. They do have newest updates already for it. Updates are still rolling out for all their products, so don't get feared by that. That happened a little over a year ago, but you know, rest assured that they are still pushing out updates for their products. This microphone is an XLR microphone, but if you are somebody that doesn't want to run a GoXLR, just wants to go completely into your PC, your laptop, even cell phones, there is a lot of USB dynamic mics. For example, the Rode Pod mic USB, which I have right here. I've owned this one for roughly about 6 months. I loved it. I used it a lot, but I did want to go back to Shure because I know Shure. I've had Shure in the past, and I love Rode. I have actually a Rode sitting behind me that is for vocal recording. Also, this microphone right here, the Rode Pod Mic USB, I do have all the stuff with it, the cables, the box, everything that comes with it. I'm gonna be selling that, so if you're interested in that, just come hit up my Discord. I'm gonna have a section on there for a sell page on my channel. So that'll be linked down in the description below. You can join my Discord. So yeah, hit me up there if you wanna talk about the Rode Pod Mic USB. Back to the issue we have. The MV7. The plosives, the P's, the T's, the S's, they're harsh. You can hear the air popping through this windscreen right here, because the windscreen that comes with the MV7, I will not lie, is not the best. It is not the best at all. So there's a solution. And you know, it only costs $9.99. That is buying a new windscreen for it. And believe it or not, the one that I purchased is right here, and they make it in multiple colors for $9.99 on Amazon. I got the teal version because my whole theme is teal, is light blue because I am Mr. Snowman TV. So I wanted the blue, and they got green, purple, red, pink, etc. And this company on Amazon, which I will pull up and show you. So let me go take you over to the Amazon page where they sell these, and that way you can see for yourself that the price is right. And this is what I had purchased. The big brother to this microphone, the SM7b, the pop filter works perfectly. You don't have to do any modifications, you just slip it over. And it's the Lex Foamy SM7b Windscreen for $9.99. And like I said, it comes in multiple colors. There's green, red, pink, dark blue, lighter blue. They have a purple. You can find purple. There's orange. If you wanted to even use a fuzzy one, you can buy a fuzzy one. It's up to you. But literally, the SM7b Lex Mophie I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that correctly. $9.99. If you want to go with the original SM7b windscreen, it's 15, but that is your choice. I wanted a little bit of you know, color in mine, so that's what I did, and that's what I wanted, so that's what I did, you know. Let's go ahead and get to the test, let you hear the difference. You might want to wear some headphones, some earbuds, or you could probably even hear it on your phone, but we're going to do a little test, and I will show you the difference between the one that comes with the MV7 and the SM7b replacement. So let's get started, and make sure you're about a fist away from your microphone. I mean, if you want to back it up more, you can, it's up to you, but you know, typically fist away is where people talk in a dynamic. So here we go. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Thomas the train ran the railroad to deliver a tamale. All right, let's go with the let's go ahead and just take it off here. I'm not even gonna cut the video. Let's go. It just slides off, slips right off, and this actually, there's about a 2 to 2.5 inch distance from the end of this into the diaphragm, and it honestly, it just slides over, and that's it, man. It looks nice. It doesn't move. It's sturdy. It's stable. You don't have to put rubber bands in there to hold it down. You don't have to do anything. Just slide that sucker over, and it works. And let's do the test again. A fist away. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Thomas the train ran up the railroad to deliver a tamale. Peter Piper said thank you. Can you hear the difference? The P's are gone. The S's are not as harsh. It just sounds cleaner. And this is it, the solution, $9.99. I don't understand why you wouldn't want to go grab that if you have the MV7, because the MV7 is only $169 USD, I believe. So, you know, go grab it up. Simple as that. Get it. Get her done. Get her done. It's good. It's nice. I love it. It sounds amazing. Makes my streams sound better. Makes my videos sound better. And I completely love the color. I wanted to go with, I mean, it looks good. It honestly, I'm looking at it right here and it looks good. Guys, listen, if you like the video, at least hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. Even if it's your favorite emoji, just hit the comment. Just leave one. You know why? Because it's engagement that counts. And let's get the video out to a broader audience. So do me the favor if you don't mind. This video is just meant to help you understand the difference in the pop filters and to get your voice sounding better on this specific microphone. And again, listen, I'm Mr. Snowman TV. I stream over on Kick. I stream on Twitch. Come join the Discord. Don't forget, if you're interested in the Rode Pod mic, because I am going to be selling this. This microphone here cost, it was, and it does come with a, I have a shock mount for it as well, but $199 brand new. I'm selling it. I'm asking $120 for the mic with the shock mount. So, you know, and I've only used it for literally about 4 months. I've owned it for about 6. It's set for a couple in the box. But anyway, listen, I appreciate you watching the video and getting through the whole thing. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. Hopefully I helped you out a little bit on making a decision with this pop filter if you want to have a cleaner vocal for your Shure MV7. And thank you for watching. Make sure you love yourself, and I will catch you on the next one when I do a next one. Have a good day, guys.